Hi, welcome to Sweet Tooth Films. Today I'm going to teach you how to make peanut butter cups.
Butter cups, you will need peanut butter, a cupcake liner, and light cocoa candy melts.
First you will need 3 to 5 wafers. Put them in the bowl and melt them in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds.
After that, scoop the melted chocolate into a cupcake liner.
After that, get a scoop of peanut butter and put it into the melted chocolate in the cupcake liner. Then repeat step 1.
After that, place the melted chocolate on top of the peanut butter. Then take the melted chocolate and place the cupcake liner in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes. If you want to, you can also substitute the peanut butter with other substances such as fluff. After around 10 to 20 minutes, take out your peanut butter cup. Loosen the edges and then pop out the peanut butter cup. Finished product. Enjoy!
We hope you enjoyed Baking with Sweet Tooth Films. Have a nice day.
Bye.